What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how to get the Ancient Shield in Crimson Desert. This neat looking shield grants Cliff 8 points in defense with a level 2 attack speed buff, along with 2 Abyss gears that grant 3 defense and guard stamina cost reduction of 3%. The location of this item is on the southeast part of the Lysias territory, almost at the end of the continent. If you zoom in, it's just to the right of the Grey Forest, inside a place called the Sanctum of Faith. Now if you're there, just head up the sanctum and follow the steps on the right. After the third set of stairs, turn left to face this wall. We need to go above it, so just climb it until you reach the top. And you'll see an overgrowth on a doorway to your right. We just need to use Blinding Flash and focus the light towards the roots. Then they'll begin to burn. Once the overgrowth has crumbled to ashes, go inside the building and you'll find a chest along with some extra stuff lying around. Loot the chest and there you'll get your ancient shield. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.